A tangy, slightly effervescent, fermented milk drink, kefir, has become a staple in health-conscious diets worldwide. But behind its probiotic reputation lies a story that stretches back thousands of years, rooted in tradition, secrecy, and cultural pride. The history of kefir is as rich as its flavor, spanning ancient legends, guarded secrets of the Caucasus Mountains, and its eventual rise as a global wellness trend. In this video, we'll trace kefir's journey from its mysterious origins to its modern-day popularity, exploring how it evolved from a sacred regional beverage into a widely consumed superfood. Kefir is believed to have originated in the Caucasus Mountains, a region between Europe and Asia known for its rugged terrain and long-lived inhabitants. The word kefir is thought to derive from the Turkish word keyif, meaning pleasure or good feeling, reflecting the sense of well-being associated with drinking it. Traces of kefir-like fermented milk have been found in Bronze Age graves dating back over 3,600 years, suggesting its use in ancient diets. For centuries, kefir was more than just a drink. It was considered a gift of health and longevity, deeply woven into the daily lives of the people of the Caucasus. One of the most enduring stories about kefir's origin is the legend of the grains of the Prophet. According to tradition, the Prophet Muhammad is said to have gifted kefir grains to the people of the Caucasus, teaching them how to ferment milk with these mysterious cultures. The grains were considered sacred and their use was closely guarded. Sharing them outside the community was believed to diminish their power. Families passed down kefir grains through generations, often fermenting milk in goat skin bags hung in doorways. Each passerby would nudge the bag, keeping the milk and grains well mixed. This secrecy meant kefir remained largely unknown to the outside world for centuries. For much of its history, kefir was a closely guarded cultural treasure. Owning kefir grains was considered a sign of prosperity in the Caucasus. Locals believed kefir could heal digestive issues, boost immunity, and promote longevity. The methods of making kefir were not shared with outsiders, ensuring the tradition remained unique to the region. This secrecy only began to unravel in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The story of how kefir spread beyond the Caucasus is dramatic. In the late 1800s, Russian doctors became interested in kefir's potential to treat tuberculosis and other illnesses. According to historical accounts, a Russian noble family orchestrated a plan to obtain kefir grains from a wealthy Caucasian prince. After much intrigue and even a tale of abduction, the grains were finally brought to Moscow. By 1908, kefir was being produced in Russia on a larger scale, initially distributed through hospitals as a medicinal drink. From Russia, kefir gradually spread across Eastern Europe, becoming a staple in countries like Poland, Ukraine, and the Baltic states. Kefir became one of the most popular dairy products in the Soviet Union. By the mid-20th century, it was widely available in grocery stores and consumed daily by millions. Researchers studied kefir's probiotic properties, linking it to improved digestion and overall health. Kefir was often consumed at breakfast or dinner, paired with bread, pastries, or soups. By the late 20th century, kefir had crossed into Western Europe, North America, and Asia, marketed as both a traditional food and a modern health drink. With the growing popularity of probiotics and gut health awareness, kefir experienced a global renaissance. Kefir became a star in the probiotic category, often compared to yogurt, but celebrated for its wider diversity of beneficial bacteria and yeasts. Today, kefir is mass-produced in plain and flavored varieties, available in supermarkets worldwide. Home fermentation kits have surged in popularity, allowing people to make kefir with traditional grains in their own kitchens. Studies continue to highlight kefir's potential benefits, from supporting digestion to boosting immunity and even reducing inflammation. Kefir is more than just a drink, it's a cultural symbol. The people of the Caucasus, where kefir originated, are renowned for their long lifespans, often attributed in part to their diet rich in fermented foods. Beyond drinking, kefir is used in soups, baked goods, marinades, and smoothies, bridging ancient tradition with modern cuisine. To conclude, the history of kefir is a story of mystery, tradition, and transformation. From its sacred beginnings in the Caucasus Mountains to its role as a Soviet staple and its modern status as a probiotic powerhouse, kefir has traveled a remarkable path.